Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about Indian education system. While we all understand how crucial education is to shape our lives, it has also been a major problem in our country. There are several issues that the Indian education system is grappled with. We cannot deny the fact that the Indian government and institutions have been working to reform the existing education model. However, there are still several issues which are required to be taken care of. Nowadays, parents, teachers, and relatives tell you one thing, the same thing, good marks and first rank. Well, it's wrong. Marks and ranks will not make your life. They are just a number. Yes, in our country, the talent of a student is measured only by marks. So, I failed in some subjects, and one of my friend passed in all the subjects. And now my friend is an engineer in Microsoft, and I am the owner. Yes, these golden words are from Bill Gates. Indian educational system runs behind the marks and ranks. That's totally wrong. Bill Gates, Sachin Tendulkar, they are celebrities and famous than your first rank students of exams. And one more important thing to every student and parents. Good marks helps you to join a good institution, but good knowledge helps you to lead a better life. And some students think if I get above 90% in 10th and if I pass out degree, my life is set. Well, some people have studied and passed out double degree and those are working in a hotel as a servant. Can you just imagine? Well, it's true. Many students also commit suicide if they get bad marks, which is totally wrong. Every hour, one student commits suicide in India with about 28 such suicide cases reported every day. According to data compiled by the NCRB, it shows that 10,159 students died by suicide in 2018, which is very sad to hear, but unfortunately is true. India has produced more engineers than the total population of Switzerland, but Switzerland is ahead than India in engineering in almost every way. Yes, it's shocking, but true. Every child has different goals, different aspirations, different understanding capacity, and also different mindset. Schools are teaching the same to all the students, which is like doctors giving the same medicine to patients having different diseases. The objective of education is to educate and empower people to achieve desired success in their lives. Not every kid wants to become a rocket scientist. When he or she grows up, they want to become a poet or a singer or a sportsman or a public speaker. The issue with our current system of education in India is that all these students will have to study the same subjects and go through the same method of education, even though many of the subjects being taught will be of no relevance to them after a few years down the line. Of course, basic literacy is necessary, but making them study the same subjects for 10 long years before they can actually opt for a field looks like an outdated provision. Being this said, we would like to end the video. Government is working on making the Indian education system better. Let's hope for the best. And comment down if you want a part 2 of Indian education system. Thanks for your 3 minutes of time.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the